Hello, my name is Owen Kasula Mahereza, and today we are going to be rebuilding our database. We are going to destroy the one we have and then rebuild a new one. For starters, I'll log in into my render.com and navigate to the current DB that we currently have, which is this one. Then scroll down to the bottom and delete it. So to delete, I'll be asked to confirm by retyping this, which I'll do perfectly. So to create a new database, we come to new, then we click Postgres, then we give it a name. I'll call my database this 22. Okay. Copy. So you must use the free tier, then leave the other settings in default settings and create a database. So after creating our database, it will take a while. So while it's creating, we must also delete the local ones that we've got. So this is our local DB connection that we have. So I'm going to delete this connect and then delete the current connection. Yes. Still creating, fetching. So we need to update our .env file. This is the new user. So we'll update the database connection file. Come to our files, look for the .env file, which is this one. Then change the username. Change the username with a new one, and then also update the URL. So we copy the current URL, then come and update this as well. We click the current one, then paste the new one, just like that. Then boom, we're done with the DB connection, the .env file. Then after that, we have to recreate a new connection using the SQL tools. New connection, select PostgreSQL, then I'll call it db-22. Then for connection, I'll use a connection string, which is right here, the external string, this right here. Copy it, then come here and paste it. After pasting it, enable SSL, then self connection, and click on create now, and boom, we've got our connection now. Right, if it's green here and doesn't bring any error message down here, that means our connection to this DB that we just created has been successful. So we are going to run our new, so get to database, then so this is our rebuild query, the query we are going to use to rebuild our database since the connection is well established. So we are going to highlight all of this script, then run it. So to run, we right click and then we run the selected query. Query with ls, press check. Does not exist. Relation public inventory. Does not exist. Sorry, that's the wrong query. I ran So you see, our DB since has just been deleted. When I try to query for some data from the DB, that's what I'm getting, does not exist error. So let's create our DB right here by running the creation, run selected query. We need to update the user, the role. We need to update the new role. User. So you can see it's creating. So this is the user we need to update to the new user we just created. Here is the new user in the .env file, or we could just come here from our DB and copy the new user, database user, copy, then come to our query and update the query. Okay. right click, then run selected query. So while you can see that all the queries have run successfully. Here all the queries are just selected. So let's try to query for some data from this DB to make sure that we are on track. I'll run it from here. Run selected. You see, the queries are running successfully, meaning that our database has been successfully created and the queries are running perfectly. Run. I'm not deleting Tony for now. Run. Oh, sorry. I ran the partial part of it. Run. Selected the query. Successful. Run. Run selected query. Where is it? Come on. Where is it? Where are you? Well, you can see that when we try to query for some data from this very new that we just created, it returns the data and it's successfully executing. So just like this, I've been able to successfully rebuild our new database. Thank you very much.